Are you trying to install an app from the App Store but you are seeing this error? This application requires iOS 16 or 17. Don't worry. In this short video, I'll show you two easy methods to fix this issue. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Update your iPhone. Sometimes this error appears because your iPhone is running an older iOS version. To update your iPhone, open the Settings app. On the Settings, swipe down and tap General. Then tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Once updated, go back to the App Store and try downloading the app again. If this method doesn't work, don't worry, try the second method. Method 2. Install app using another Apple ID. If your iPhone doesn't support iOS 16 or 17, for example older models, try this trick. Use the Apple ID of a friend or family member who has already installed the app like ChatGPT on their own device. So open the settings, tap sign into your iPhone and sign in with their Apple ID on your iPhone. After signing in with your Apple ID, go back to the App Store and install the ChatGPT. Tap the iCloud icon. It will ask, do you want to download an older version? Tap download. Tap continue. So guys, this only works if your friends has already installed the app on their iPhone using that Apple ID. Otherwise, it won't appear in their purchased list. Once installed, you can sign out of their Apple ID and sign back into your own. And that's it. With these two methods, you can easily fix the this application requires iOS 16, 17 error on your iPhone.